Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this session, I'm going to tell you about the free certification courses which are provided by the Indian government. So we have a website called as a Skill Nation where you can do a non-technical as well as a technical courses which are free with the certificate. There are some courses which are paid also, but it depends on you if you want to join them or not. So it contains a technical as well as a non-technical courses which are available for everyone. So let's get started on how we can do a certification course on a Skill Nation. On screen, you can see I have opened a website called as a Skill India. So this is a Government of India website and it contains various skill course, schemes, programs, job exchange as well as a skill center. So if I want to do a course or I want to search a job, then also I can use this website. So let's say I want to do some courses. I'll go to the skill courses and depending on the sector, you can choose which course you want to do. So let's say I want to do some IT courses. So we have a ITES. I'll click on that, and for ITES I have a different courses. So let's check whether we have the artificial intelligence course or not. If I go to the next page, we have a foundation course in a AI solution architecture. So let's click on this and it will open a course landing page. Now, this is a foundation course in AI solution architecture where I can check the description. This course provides a comprehensive overview of artificial intelligence and big data analytics. So using this course, you will be able to understand the artificial intelligence, that is AI, and big data analytics. It explores the fundamental concepts, technologies, and application of AI and big data, including AI system and types. So this is a description. Total 5 hours of course it is, and we have like around 400 people who are already enrolled for this course. If I go down, I can check who is a training partner of this course. This is a Reliant Foundation Skilling Academy. Then language is in English, and once you complete the course, you will get the certificate of completion. And the assessment mode is a proctor assessment. If I go down, what will be the learning outcomes? So once you do the course, you will be able to gain the solid foundation in a key concept, technologies and application of AI and big data. So you will be able to understand, or you will be able to analyze the AI and big data concepts and fundamentals once you complete this course. So apart from course, let's say I have to search for any jobs. I'll go to this and you can see there are multiple jobs which are available. Depending on a sector, you can just filter out the jobs which you want. So if it is a IT sector, you can just provide a ITES and they will provide you jobs which are related to that sector as well as the location. So if I click on any of the job, it will show you the salary which is available for that particular job, what they want, how the job type is, and what is the state of that job. So it will show all India jobs. If I go to the skill courses again, let's search for the communication courses. Now, communication and enter. You can see there is one sector, introduction to automobile. So yeah, so this course is a free communication skills. If I go to the course and you can see there are the same details which were available previously, 3 hours. Then around 2,700 people already enrolled and completed. You will get the certification, additional detail, topic and eligibility criteria. So what are the topics which are available with this course are like advanced communication models in practice, strategic communication planning, persuasive communication in action, project-based business correspondence, leadership communication leading by example. So these are some topics which will be taught in this course. You can just log in, enroll and complete the course and get the certification you want. This is how you can use a Skill India to do a free courses as well as a job search. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, you can just like the video, share our video and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in a comment section. See you in the next video.